So if you can remember, the bishop was 3 points. So it's a big number. And the rook was 5 points. So think of it as the queen is even more stronger than the rook and the bishop combined. It's a really strong piece. And it's actually the most important piece after the king, because the king has it has unlimited value of points. It has millions of billions of points. And the thing about queen is it is kind of a mixture of bishop and the rook. So it is doing both features of both of the pieces. So if you can remember, the rook can go up, down, right, or left, and the bishop can go through the diagonals. Well, the queen can do both of them. The queen is a mixture of bishop and rook.
First, you need to go to e2.
Okay, so let's go to e2.
Then e3.
Okay.
Then d3.
Yeah.
And then c2.
Okay. So we nailed it. Perfect. So now that's another puzzle. We can't get to all of them in one turn. So just remember this, because the king can only make one move. We can't jump, we can't go like 4 squares or anything. So first of all, let's start from the stars close to us. So let's get the star on d6 first. Yeah?